The story behind greenback, an English phrase explained. Hello, English learners. Today, we're diving into a term that you might hear when talking about money, especially in the context of the United States. That term is greenback. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means and the story behind it. So, let's jump in. Firstly, greenback is a slang term for the US paper dollar. Why? Well, that's because of the green ink used on one side of the bill. Over the years, this distinctive color gave the US paper currency its nickname. So, if someone says, "Do you have a greenback?" they're simply asking if you have a dollar. Now, where did this term originate? The name greenback actually has its roots in the 1860s. During the Civil War, the U.S. government began issuing paper money to finance the war effort. These new bills had a distinctive green reverse side, which set them apart from other forms of currency. Hence, the term greenback became popularly associated with these bills. Over time, even as the design of the U.S. dollar changed, the name stuck, and it's still used today. To ensure you understand how to use the term, here are a couple of example sentences. 1. Can I borrow a greenback? I want to get a coffee. 2. She paid with a greenback and got some coins as change. And there you have it. Now you not only know what a greenback is but also its history and how to use it in a sentence. The English language is full of fascinating phrases like this, each with its own story. We hope this video was insightful. Keep learning, and we'll see you in the next one.